Hello kids, this is Gunjan Daswani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota explaining you our first poem of the syllabus, that is Books, written by Elena Fajin. So before beginning with the explanation, I would like to give you a small introduction of the poetess of this poem. She was an English author of children's stories and plays, poetry, biography, history, and satire. She won many literary awards like Hans Christian Andersen Award for writing, Carnegie Medal, and many more for her work. So let's recite the poem first and then we'll move forward to the explanation. What worlds of wonder are our books as one opens them and looks. New ideas and people rise in our fancies and our eyes. The room we sit in melts away and we find ourselves at play with someone who before the end may become our chosen friend. Or we sail along the page to some other land or age. Here's a body in the chair, but our mind is over there. Each book is a magic box, which with a touch a child unlocks. In between them outside covers, books hold all things for their lovers. So now, this poem is basically talking about the joy of reading. Let's see the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, the poet says that books plays a wonderful job in our lives as one opens and looks into the books that creates many new ideas that helps to awake and see the new world in a different way. So here the poet has compared the books to wonderful island or wonderful jobs that plays a very important role in our lives. As we open the book, it creates many new ideas in our mind that takes us in an imaginary world. In the second paragraph, the poet is saying that we study or go through a book sitting in a room all alone. But in our imagination, we find ourselves in some other ground with some other character which is our favorite from the book that we are reading. So here, chosen friend means is the favorite character of the book that you are reading. It's like many of us while reading a book get so much indulged that we started thinking that the book's story is a part of our own life. In the third para, the poet says that books takes us away to some other land. As such, physically, we are sitting on a chair in a room, but mentally, we sail out with the words of the book to a place that's not known to us. So this must have happened with many of you, as whenever we read a book, we forget about the reality and focus on the imagination. So now, in the last, the poet calls every book a magic box. It unlocks the child's mind by just touching it. The one who loves book can find every turn of the world and his life in its words. He would hardly strive for any other company. So now, the poet is saying that each book is a magic box. It unlocks the world of imagination when a child touches it.
Now let's see the poem, that is Books, written by Elena Fajin. So the room we sit in melts away and we find ourselves at play with someone who before the end may become our chosen friend. So the first question according to this text is, name the poem and the poet. So the name of the poem is Books, which is written by Elena Fajin. Okay, so what is the name of the poem? That is Books, and it's written by whom? That is Elena Fajin. Let's move to the second question. Why does the room melt away? Why, as the poet said, that the room that we sit in melts away? The poet says the room melts away because when a poet reads a book, he or she forgets everything. So whenever a poet is reading a book, he or she is lost in his own thoughts and he forgets everything what is going on. Okay. Now see, who is the chosen friend in the last line? Why have we said may become our chosen friend? Who is our chosen friend? A chosen friend is the reader's favorite character with whom he or she could identify and relate. So whenever you read a book, you have a favorite character in that. So that is called as a chosen friend in the last line over here. Okay. So a chosen friend is the reader's favorite character with whom he or she can identify or relate his life with. Okay. So this was the copy of this poem and I hope you have understood this poem. Stay fit, stay at your home. Thank you.